Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and beautiful crocheted cotton designs, different designing ideas, different designs, different ideas, different color combination contrasts, beautiful designing ideas for stylish cotton designs. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with most stylish, most demanding collection of crocheted cotton designs, beautiful designing patterns, beautiful color combination contrasts you can see in this my video, in this my channel. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet. Beautiful turtles you can see. You can decorate your room, your lounge with your beautiful and stylish crocheted cotton designs. Beautiful cottons with matching bedsheet designs, pillow cover designs, cushion cover designs, sofa cover designs and many more. If you want to buy these very beautiful crocheted cotton designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, ibiva.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Highly running ideas. Every design is different one another. Don't skip. Please watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can make these very beautiful crochet cotton designs. If you know crochet work, you can easily make these very beautiful crochet cottons with matchings. Beautiful and stylish crochet cotton designs. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.